Well, good morning. How's everybody doing today? Got a little music playing this morning. Gonna be a good day today. Gonna be a short one. This first one is front of the house, some other oddball stuff. It's one of those like the Fresh Rinse said. It's gonna be one of them hodgepodge jobs, you know. Little of this, little of that, and they're gonna try and get a deal, right? Anyway, it's gonna be a wonderful sunny day, as you can see. Hey, it was in my eye first. Just think of that, all right? Anyway, we'll see you when we get to the job, all right? I'm Doc from Super Blast, and it's gonna be a good day. And the second job's just a 3-car driveway, so it's gonna be a light day today. I'm gonna like that. I think maybe we'll go ahead and do those oil changes today. All right, maintenance is key to keeping the gear in perfect shape, operating condition. All right, let's get after it. Hey, good morning, Don here, and it's the morning class here at Super Blast, and it's free. All right, here's your this is what you're going to be looking at if you got a 4-gallon-a-minute machine. This is my unloader here. It's attached to this piece of lovely aluminum to my lovely rig with this loader block. Okay, it doesn't restrict anything at all. Okay, then we have a downstream injector, which I soak in the bucket of water. This is an injection tube that I have hooked to my hose. If you're wondering what that black thing is, it's just the end of the filter. I don't see any use for the filter. My tanks are clean, and if you put metal in your tanks, it's not good for the SH. All right, it has a chemical reaction, believe it or not. All right, so let's go ahead and hook the injector up to the unloader block. All right, this is a 2.3 downstream injector. It'll allow you to have 1.2% sodium hydrochloride, which is chlorine, and surfactant into your line. Okay, now I'm climbing up here because I want to make sure that that tube gets down the bottom there. Sometimes if you're not careful, the tube will flip up on you, okay? Now I'm leaving the cap up on top of the box, so I have to climb back up there to get it, so I'll remember to put it on the lid, I'm sure. I got 150 feet off of my storage reel. I'm gonna plug in. Anyway, you plug into there. And this is how downstream injection works, okay? Let's go ahead and go over these the soap tips and the rinse tips. Now, if you want to use the fancy dancy stuff, well, then you'll have to get a downstream injector bypass to do that. But I do things basic, okay? Okay, this is a rinse tip. 4015 rinse tip. This is a 0015 wash jet tip. These two tips turn the soap off. This is a 0060 long range soap tip, and this is the 2560 V jet soap tip. These turn the soap on, these turn the soap off. On, off. All right, grasshopper? All right, let's get after it, all right? All right, let's have a look. We got black algae. This hasn't been done in a couple years, 2 years. So, and then I raised the price up on the gentleman. He wasn't very happy with it, but you know, inflation, you got to get more money. Gas is up, chlorine is up. You know, SH, sodium hydrochloride, chlorite. Okay, and here's the porch we got to do. And it never drains, it's a pain. Just rinse that all out. Not that big of a job. All right, so let's go ahead and get started out here. We're going to SH everything out front, and we're going to work our way to the back. SH that, rinse it, come back out here, mini-mon, do all this up. Okay, By the looks of it, there'll be a couple spots we got to pump up treat, which is always good to show you how that works. All right, let's get after it, and I'll see you when I get back from doing the porch. All right, there you have it. It's all SH, ready to go. Do some of the front of the house there. Go ahead and hit the top of that too. For the guy, I did upcharge it a little bit, so like 2 minutes worth of work. All right, so you take a little, you give a little. Get it? All right, let's get after it. Because when I'm done with the job, I'm gonna say, hey man, did the whole front of your house too. Sorry for the extra charge. Then he'll call me back next year. You gotta like be playing cool, you know, you gotta be 3 shots ahead. All right, let's get after it, huh? All right, we're all done with the porch back there. Came out nice. We'll have a look at it at the end. Now we got the mini Mondu over there. We're gonna go ahead and get all this done. Then we'll rinse the front of the house off and get all this satisfying rinse done. All right, let's get after it.
Jungle.
All right, now we got the homeowner giving me the old thumbs up arena out the window. We're gonna rinse the whole front of the house off and all this sidewalk, the driveway. Then we're gonna go ahead and post treat and we'll be done with this job. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and you know what to do, right? Get after it. There you have it, folks.
Look at all that sticky icky on there.
Oh, gee, Tennessee, that's really soapy.
That's right, Chumley. It's always soapy. Ameritech makes the best soapy products.
Well, that's for sure.
Get back to work, Chumley.
Okay, boss. Okay, once again. See that? What happened to the pride? What happened to the workmanship? Down the toilet. I hope things get better soon. Let's get after it. All right, let's have a look at job number 2, shall we? So 3-car driveway. Regular customer, I've been here before. Clean your pool cage and stuff. There's a pad on the other side as well. We'll go all the way to the front door, right to that. 4 sections of sidewalk right there. 2 sections right there. It's a small little job. Let's get after it, shall we? we got it all mondued and stuff. We got some weeds down here in the cracks. Some weeds. Some weeds over there, weeds over there. There's one up there. There's a couple over there. Let's go ahead and get the turbo nozzle. We're gonna go ahead and hit the weeds with the turbo nozzle real quick. Then we're gonna do the ever so satisfying rinse. Then we're gonna do the post treat, all right? So let's just go ahead and get after it. Shall we? Let's have a look. Look how nice that came out, huh? It looks beautiful. Okay, here's how you keep regular customers, okay? Now, see that garage? And the soffit above the garage? Usually it's spider webs and stuff, bugs accumulate around the garage doors. It only takes a second to clean it, okay? And look at the side door here. It looks great, huh? Everything's good. We'll go ahead and undo the water. That's kind of loose, huh? All right, anyway, what I'm trying to tell you is just do a really good job. Do a couple extra little things like that. It only takes a couple seconds to do it. Then you establish regular customers and go, hey man, that guy goes above and beyond at a great price. That's how you do it, baby. All right, I am Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. And we are powered by Ameritech pressure washing systems over in Tampa, Florida. And we always get after it. Okay, folks, the moment of truth. Here it comes. Did he rinse it? Here it comes.
Yes, he did. Yes, you did.
Boy, look how nice that looks in there.
See the edge over there? See that valve?
Rinsing is key, huh? Valve's good?
Yep, it's all rusted up.
Nice.
And these are actually the old diaphragms, not the new green ones. He's getting ready to upgrade it today.
All right, we're going to upgrade the diaphragms, and rinsing is key. Remember that. Okay, I'm standing out here in front of Ameritech pressure washing, as you can see. And let's go in here. They got some deals for you guys just starting out. You can get a 4-gallon-a-minute machine with a cat pump, gear driven, and you get a free Hammerhead surface cleaner in May Madness. Go ahead and read that right there. Can't beat that with a stick. And we got a full line of chemicals here. Just go ahead and scan by.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Graffiti remover, concrete stain, gutter streaks, rust power, super clean. There's the sticky icky. Lemon. This is my favorite, the pine. This is one of the best for rust removal and aluminum brightener. Then we go over here to the car. Wash and wax, foam cannon soap, glass cleaner concentrate.
Second to top shelf, middle
Max Gloss. Yep. Super Cherry Wash. Rapid Wax. This is a good wax right here. They're all good. Foam cannons, all kinds of supplies. It's your one-stop shop. Ameritech Pressure Washing. Plenty of machines. Array of assortment of surface cleaners. Hot water units. Now here's the blue hose. Okay, let's take a look at the blue hose. This stuff lasts for a long, long time. It's Pressure Flex. You gotta get you some. Ameritech will ship just about anything as long as it doesn't have acid in it. They'll ship it out to you. All right. I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Remember, get after it.